Hey everyone, today's video I'll be showing you how to add an end screen to your video, and this usually shows up when after viewers watch your video towards the end. That's where the videos pop up like the way you're seeing on my screen right now, and then it shows them more other videos they can click on so that they can watch your next video. So I'll be showing you this. So go to your channel, and then from there you can go to manage your videos, which will take you to your studio, and then at the studio you'll have all your content there, and then from there you just click on edit, and then on your right hand side there's end screen. Click on the end screen, and then you do have a few different options. The first one is import the latest videos, so it will import the last 2 videos that you've posted. On this one you have the option to show one video, suggest one video, and subscribe, whereby your logo will show up over here and then somebody can click on it and subscribe. And you have an option of having one playlist and the subscribe, whereby it's your profile picture that shows up for people to click on and subscribe. So I'll show you first how to add 2 videos. So here is where you just click on this, and then it shows you how it will appear, so you can choose to adjust it to where you want it. As long as they're not overlapping, you're okay, because if they overlap, it'll show red, and that means you cannot do that. So you can do this, you can put it up, bottom, all that. And then after that, make sure down below you pick what time you want the video suggestions to pop up. So if you want it to pop up 1 minute before your video ends, you can let it stay the way it is. But for me, I always like it to pop up 10 seconds before the end of my video, so that I don't distract my viewers from what I'm talking about. So you just go to the one video, and as you can see, and then just drag it to the end, and then same with the next one, you just drag it to the end. So as long as the arrow shows right to left when you click on the edge, then you can drag it. So drag it to the end, and then where this thing is, don't worry about it. That means where you want the video to play when you're doing your preview at the top. So if I do my preview from here,
bye,
and boom, you see it pops up. So it just depends on where you want it to play from. You don't want to play from all the way at this end, then you can just play it from, so that you can see where your videos are, and you can just adjust them the way you want it. So once you decide when you want it to pop up, you click on one of them on the box, and then it will give you this option. So you can choose best for views, or you can just do what I do. I choose a specific video, and then it brings up my videos, and then I just click whichever one I want to show at the end. Do the same with the next box. I choose a specific video, click on it, and then you add it to your end screen. So that video was private, so I'll click a different one. So let's do this one. So, and then you just hit save, and now it'll pop up 10 seconds before your video ends. And if you feel like you don't like that, you can come back, and let's say you don't want this one, you can either change it here to a different video, or if you want to add something different, you can just either add an element, and then you'll have a third option. Like let's say I want to add subscribe to my channel, so I'll do that. Or if you want to add a 4th element, you can say either add a video, you add a 4th video, or you can do add a playlist. Add a channel means adding another channel that's not your channel, or if you have a second channel. But you can do playlist if you have a playlist. I don't really have a playlist that is public, other than maybe this helpful tips. So it just depends what you want. And if you don't like something, you can just click on whatever you don't like and just delete it. Boom. And yeah, so that's how it works.